All right, let's randomize that field. All right, looks like we've got the gold mineral on the right side of the field corner. In 3, 2, 1. We begin. Oh, loud thunk. 750 is lowering themselves. 7776 has dropped themselves. 4097 getting right into the crater. 7776 going for that gold mineral. They knock it right off. Very precise. 750 accidentally hits the wrong mineral while they're going to get theirs. 7776 seems to be setting up to go into the crater. Oh, they're going for the depot. Oh, a collision. 7776 has pinned 750 into the corner as 8610 drops their marker in the red depot. We move on.
Driver, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Hopefully the Blue Alliance isn't left with any lasting damage after that collision. It looks like they both separated just fine. 4097 deploys its grabber to start picking up some minerals and dropping them into the lander. They've collected a silver there. It looks like they're going for another. 7776 moving around trying to push minerals into their team's depot, it looks like. It's hard to tell what 8610's doing. Oh, they've also deployed their mineral grabber. 4097 drops 2 silvers into the Red Alliance's silver lander side. It looks like that 8610 is about to drop another. 750 and 8610 getting into a light collision right over in that corner near the crater. It looks like 750 can't manage to get themselves out of this predicament. 4097 dropping in another silver mineral. 7776 holding their corner. Looks like they're trying to keep minerals contained as 8610 drops another pair of silvers. 750 still struggling to make it out of that corner. It's hard to tell what they're trying to do here. Looks like 4097 and 8610 are still collecting right out of that crater. Dropping tons of silver minerals. Oh, 2 missteps by both the Red Alliance teams as 4097 drops a mineral into the wrong side and 8610 misses completely. 4097 collecting 2 gold as we move into the end game period. 750 looks like they're getting set up to latch along with 7776. We might get a double hang here from the Blue Alliance. 8610 and 4097 are pinning each other back as we move into the last 15 seconds. 4097 is struggling to get set up. 8610 looks like they've stopped completely. 4097 goes to hang, but they're failing. 7776 gets up. 750 is failing to get a good latch and pull themselves up as 8610, and that's the match. Looks like the scores for qualification match 7 are in. 8610 takes first place on the Red Alliance with 217 points to 164 on blue.